So, you've got your shiny new Neon card and you're ready to dive into a world of cashless convenience, right? But how do you actually activate it online? Let's break it down, step by step. Before we jump into the activation process, let's quickly recap what a Neon card is. It's a sleek, modern payment card that offers a host of benefits, from cashback to exclusive deals. But to unlock these perks, you'll need to activate it first. The activation process. Unboxing your card. First impressions. The moment you unbox your Neon card, you'll notice its stylish design. It's more than just a card, it's a statement. Check the card details. Before you proceed, ensure you have all the necessary information, such as your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Visit the Neon website. Navigating the website, head over to the official Neon website. It's user-friendly and easy to navigate. Find the Activate Your Card section. Look for a prominent button or link that says Activate Your Card. This is usually found on the homepage or in the Help section. Provide required information. Personal details. You'll be asked to provide some personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Card details. Input your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double-check these details for accuracy. Security verification. You may be required to complete a security verification process, such as answering security questions or providing a one-time password, OTP. Set up your online account. Create a strong password. Choose a strong, unique password to protect your account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Consider using an authenticator app or SMS verification. Complete the activation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. The website will guide you through the remaining steps. Confirm activation. Once you've completed all the steps, you will receive a confirmation message. Tips for a smooth activation. Reliable internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. Accurate information. Double-check all the information you provide to prevent delays. Keep your card safe. Never share your card details with anyone, including over the phone or through email. Contact Neon support. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Neon's customer support team. They're available to assist you. Activating your Neon card online is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following these guidelines, you'll be able to start enjoying the benefits of your new card in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.